In this tutorial, I will teach you how to get your Squarespace website on Google and set up Google Search Console. Let's take it one step at a time, starting with logging into your Squarespace account. An easy task, you'll find the Login button on the top right corner of Squarespace's homepage. Once you've logged in with your email and password, you'll be directed straight to your account dashboard. The next thing you want to do is navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually located on your left-hand side, a small icon that looks like a gear. Clicking it will open up a menu showing several further options, but the one you are interested in is labeled Connected Accounts. Click on this option. It's going to act as an interface, linking your website to external accounts. In this case, Google Search Console. After clicking on Connected Accounts, a new window will pop up where you get to choose the account you want to connect. You'll see a list of social media platforms and other accounts. Find and click on the button labeled Connect Account. From the drop-down menu, choose Google Search Console. Clicking on Google Search Console will prompt a new window to pop up asking you to log into your Google account. This is where you'll need the email address associated with your Google account. It's good to note that if you haven't created a Google account, you won't be able to proceed beyond this point. Take a brief moment, create a Google account, then come back to resume where you left. Now, if you have gotten then correctly, another window from Google Search Console will pop up asking you to give Squarespace permission to manage your Search Console data. After granting permission, another window will pop up that will ask you to verify the ownership of your website. Google wants to ensure that the people given permission to handle a website's Search Console data are indeed the website's legitimate owners. You're required to copy the verification code shown here and paste it on Squarespace, thus verifying your ownership. The final step entails adding the verification code into your Squarespace website. Navigate back to your Squarespace's Settings menu. Click on Advanced and then Code Injection. Here, you will find the Google Search Console input field. Paste your verification code here and save. Let's take a brief moment to confirm that everything is as it should be. Go back to the Google Search Console window that you previously left open. Click on the Verify button. Google will cross-check the code and verify your website if the codes match up. Congratulations! Your Squarespace website is now linked to Google through the Google Search Console. This setup was the first step to get your Squarespace website on Google. Now don't forget to submit your sitemap to Google so that all your pages get indexed properly. For more helpful tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay updated with practical guides and the best tips for managing your online space. Until next time, cheers.